Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video we will take a look about ADA. What's going on with ADA? The coin is pumping for the daily. Look at this, 14% in the plus on the daily, 6% in the plus. One of these coins, they are going to the upside. Bitcoin is going slightly to the downside, Ethereum also, but ADA is going to the upside. ADA is momently pumping. We will check it together now what's going on with ADA. And here is a chart picture drawn by Biti Da Vinci because I would like to show you here what's going on. I told you guys, as long as we are in this bearish downtrend, it's not good to trade ADA. And on this point, if we may break this bearish downtrend, we may have a good long and pie position. And you can see it here perfect. We had a long position here. The breakout was here of this bearish downtrend, and it pumped here to the upside very, very, very nicely. Yes, we had a downgoing picture here because we had a triangle and we had a breakout of this triangle, but it did not work out here very well, and it's now mooning to the upside. Now we will check ADA together what's going on here. We will start with the 1-day chart, and we will start with a big overview here for ADA. Let's remove all things here. That's too much, all too much for my eyes. So let's turn off everything. Let's remove the drawings and let's turn on the EMA ribbon, turn it off. And the EMA 50, it's also not necessary to watch here. So the big picture for the daily chart, look at this breakout, very, very nice here. We have a big resistance on the upside. Yes, that's this point here. That's the last high here. That's the big resistance. The resistance is always red, you know it guys, and the price level on this big resistance was $1.50. So $1.50 is the big target for this breakout. It may form a double top now here. It's very interesting what's going on here in the near future. We can check something more here because we had a triangle. The triangle was here from the upside to the downside, and it was from the deepest point to the upside. This was our forming triangle, and every triangle has a breakout or a breakdown pattern. In this opinion, ADA breaked out to the upside, and if we are watching this here, this is our possible breakout point for ADA. It's on $1.80. So our possible big picture, our possible target for ADA is $1.80 for this triangle pattern breakout here. Okay, let's check more. That's not all we can check here. We can check some things more. Let's zoom out a little bit. This is the daily chart. Okay, let's check now the RSI. What's going on with the RSI now for ADA? So here we are. The RSI indicator, relative strange index. Here it is. Okay, I have too much patterns here. I have to close some things here. The MA is not so important. The AMA ribbon we can watch here is not important because it's a big support on the downside and it's very, very deep here. The MACD we can watch is not so important. We saw a blue line crossing over the brown line, a very, very bullish point here. I think there's much more place to going to the upside for ADA from this point here, guys. A lot of space here. It's not impossible to reach 150 very soon. It's not impossible to reach $1.82 very, very soon here for ADA. That's the next big thing here. Let's turn off now the MACD and we will like to look here at the RSI. So the RSI is here. And this is not looking bad. The RSI is now on 69 points. You know, guys, everything over 70 points is overbought. So attention, if ADA is going up and up a little bit more, we may see an overbought RSI. That may be a little problem here, but all in all, it's not a great thing here for ADA. Okay, let's close the RSI. Now let's go to the 4-hour chart. What's going on in the 4-hour chart? 4-hour chart, everything is looking fine. Nice long position from here. Ribbon band as a support, EMA 200 as a support, and we are now nearly to our high here, to our all-time high $1.50. That's the big thing to watch on the 4-hour chart also, guys. So the next big thing is that, let me check it here. Let me check the 1 hour chart. And yes, the 1 hour chart is working also really nice. Long position since here at $1, perfect breakout to the upside from this triangle. Now it's going up and up. We have the good ribbon band here working as a support. As long we are over this ribbon band, everything is bullish, everything is fine on the 1 hour chart, and we have still our target with $1.82. That's really possible to make here. Let me check the parallel channel from the downgoing here to the upside and to the highest point like this. And this is a little bit a bad point, guys. Why it is bad? You can see it. We have a good nice upgoing channel, but we are still under this middle line. The middle line is always working as you can see here, as a resistance, and we are still under the middle line. We need a clear breakout over $1.50. We need a clear breakout over the middle line to see very soon maybe $1.82. That's the big thing. That's the big target here for me. So guys, let's check one thing now. That's the MACD on the 1 hour chart, and the MACD is momently bearish. That's very interesting. We have a momently bearish MACD. We have a downgoing ADA. Okay, Cardano is going down a little bit. MACD is a little bit bearish. It's possible to reach the bottom very soon here. This is the bottom line. It's at $1.34. Very possible to see it. We have the EMA 200. That's our next big support here, guys. If we are going down more here, I don't hope so, but if we're going down more, we have a support at $1.17. That's the next point. That's the next big support. We also have a nice support. Let me show you something else here. That's this line here. We have a support from this point here to this side. That's also acting as a very nice support here. So we have some good supports here for ADA if we're going down here more and more. That's in the ribbon band at $1.28. Also a very nice support, but ADA needs now power and volume. And so important, guys, for this hourly chart here. We need higher lows. That's so important. Higher lows, I can show you. Here was a low. This was also a low. And this now is also a low. We need higher lows. The next low should be here and not under this low, not here. This would be a very bearish thing because we have a new downtrend there and we have to draw a new downtrend. So we need higher lows. That's very important. We have higher highs. That's good. But now we need a next candle to the upside here for the hourly chart. Look at this on the hourly chart, guys. You can watch this here always on my live stream, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Here is ADA on the middle side. You can see it here with Fibonacci lines, with ribbon band, with EMA 200, buy and sell, and short and long signal. You saw the long signal here. You can use this for your trading, guys. That's on Twitch, streaming on Twitch 24 hours, 7 days a week. The name is Crypto Trading Informant. Here's all information you need to trade ADA. Back to this here, and that's a very good idea. We will turn on here the Fibonacci line because the Fibonacci is also very important. We can draw the Fibonacci line from the highest point to the lowest point like this here, and now we have beautiful colored Fibonacci lines, and that's the next big thing to watch. Also, guys, look at this. This Fibonacci line is very important. 78% Fibonacci line in a pump, always the important Fibonacci line that should hold at $1.38. In my opinion, momently one of the biggest things here. You can see it. The last low was here, shortly over this Fibonacci line. The next should close a little bit higher at $1. I think, let me show you, this was $1.38, $1.39. This candle must close over $1.39. If not, we have maybe a next little bearish downtrend here. That's the next big picture to watch for ADA, in my opinion. Guys, that's it. It doesn't matter if you're going long or short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Have a nice time. Greetings, and very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I only can give you all my information I have and all my knowledge I have. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Greetings, yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.